Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I will be showing you how to catch the 3 legendary bird Pokémon in Pokémon Frontier. Make sure you have a Butterfree with Compound Eye ability and a Noivern with the Frisk ability. Then you're going to fly to Kragonos Cliff. And then you want to go inside the next cave. Now you're going to need the Move Rock climb on one of your Pokémon. So now you're going to fish for Pokémon called Chinchou. This Pokémon will hold an item called Deep Sea Scale. Make sure Butterfree is the first Pokémon on your team so the Compound Eye can work. Finally. So now once you counter Chinchou, you're going to want to switch your Butterfree for Noivern so you can see if Chinchou has the item. So on the text on the bottom, if it doesn't say nothing, Chinchou doesn't have the Deep Sea Scale, so keep fishing to get Chinchou again. Once you find Chinchou with Deep Sea Scale, catch it. To get the 3 legendary bird Pokémon, you need 3 Deep Sea Scale. Now you're going to want to fly to Port Deca. Now you're going to want to go to the ticket shop. Once you go inside, you're going to want to talk to this pirate guy. Once you collect all 3 Deep Sea Scale, you can get tickets to Island where the 3 legendary bird Pokémon are at. Once you get all your ticket to the 3 islands, go talk to this guy to go to the islands. I will be going to Frigidia Island to catch Articuno.
Wow!
Finally. Now you will come back to this guy to go to the other island. Now the last island to get Moltres. Finally! Okay guys, that will be it for today's video. Thank you for watching my first video for this channel, and like and subscribe if I should keep doing these type of video. And if you want the game link for this Roblox game, it will be in the link and description. So peace out.